Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all my YouTube friends? Today my recipe is spicy chili chicken. This is my own way to cook this dish with easy method and yummy taste. I'm sure if you follow this recipe you will definitely enjoy a great dish. So let's get started. In 2 tablespoon oil, I've added 4 red button chilies with nicely chopped 1 tablespoon garlic, 2-3 split green chilies. Give it a nice toss on low medium flame for 1 minute. Now I have this 1 kg chicken with bones. Now increase the flame. Fry this chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on medium high flame till chicken color is changed and water is dried. In the meantime, I prepare a mixture for gravy. In a cup of water, I've added 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, hot chili sauce 2 tablespoon, soy sauce 2 tablespoon, corn flour 1 tablespoon. Give it a nice blend. Now chicken is well fried, oil is there is no chicken water. This is 1 diced cut onion. Now add this mixture. Mix it gently, let it boil. On this stage, check salt and pepper according to your taste. Cover it, cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, I've opened the lid. See the texture, it's getting thick. Now I've added, this is 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Some chili flakes, as it's a chili dish so it has different type of chilies, whether it is red button or black pepper, red chili powder, green chili or chili flakes. It's a nice mixture of different chilies. Check this consistency, check the color, it's getting thick now. This is the real consistency which we need. Add some split green chilies. Turn off the flame. It's ready now, it's time for plating. Best serving this dish is plain rice. I hope you like this simple delicious recipe. Please hit the like button, feedback in comment section. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.